Another beautiful day and a great day to go for a drive. This is a 2020 Transit and it is Oxford white with ebony cloth interior. It actually has seating for 4, so you have the 2 seats up front, and then midway through the cargo van is the other 2 seats with 3-point seat belts. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine and it's an all-wheel drive with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It also has fixed rear glass. Right now they've got some covering on it. You could take that off. Large cargo area inside. You have a trailer tow hitch as well as reverse camera. And it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. And stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and it's all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door as well as power locks. And you have the release here for your fuel cap, and it's a capless fuel filler. You've got a nice step here to make it easier to get in. You've got a big bin to put items, your lighting controls, and a grab handle. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. And on the face of it is your volume for your media, and you also have your menu. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and that menu will come up as well. And you can toggle through it. So you're seeing we're in trip 1 right now, and we can go down through the different options. Trip 2, reset individual values, configure view, and back around again. As well, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view, and we see that in the center console there. And there we go. We have our volume and tuner. There's your fan. You've got your AC and max AC and front defrost, hazard lights, USB and 12 volt, more cup holders, and your automatic shifter with select shift. The emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, and both driver and passenger have armrests, which is really handy. And you have your glove compartment. There's also a big bin there, and your grab handle in the body, manually dimming rear view mirror, and up above you have your dome lighting. 16-inch wheels, body cladding, and you're seeing that little cutout, that's for the gas cap. And in the back you have 2 doors. Right now they have them covered, but they are glass underneath that. And when you want to open it up, you simply put your hand on the right hand side, and I'll just mention you also have a trailer tow hitch as well as a reverse camera. So we're just going to open up the right door, then you unclip the left, and as you can see there's lots of room in those 2 seats there, and the pass through and lighting up above, as well as hooks and tabs. And then when you want to close it up, just swing the left door closed, then the right. You can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The nice thing about these vans is their passenger rear door is sliding. So you just simply pull the handle and you've got this nice step. You're seeing these tabs and grab handles in the body. And you also have a nice little surprise back here. There's 2 seats and still lots of room for cargo and lighting up above. There's also a pass-through between the passenger and driver's seat up front. Body cladding, roof rails, sliding rear door, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, we have plenty to show you. Please subscribe, and of course, we'd love to hear your comments.